Hello, my teacher. How's it going, bro?
Everything is good. Welcome to the class, everybody. Session 106.
Yes.
As I promised, today we want to talk about the grammar of present continuous questions. Present continuous questions. Before we start, let's listen to the grammar box and practice the questions. Let's listen really quick. Then we talk about the grammar rules.
Page 69. 3. Grammar. Present continuous questions. Information questions. What are you doing these days? What is Carl watching on TV? Who's he talking to right now? Information questions with who as subject. Who's playing? The Yankees.
Who's watching the game?
Carl. Yes/no questions and short answers.
Are you studying hard?
Yes, I am. No, I'm not.
Is Carl watching the game?
Yes, he is. No, he's not.
Are the Yankees playing?
Yes, they are. No, they're not. You can use the present continuous for activities around now. I'm working very hard this semester.
Okay, so these are about the grammar rules. As you can see, we have two types of questions. One of them is information questions, like what and who, what are you doing these days? I told you the grammar is WH word plus be plus subject verb ing. Also, we have yes no questions, starting with be subject verb ing. We talked about this in the previous part, in the previous video. Be plus subject plus verb plus ing. And there is another type of question here, information questions with who as a subject. So here, who is the subject? You say who is playing, who is watching, okay? Who is walking? The answer for this is the name of the person or the name of the team. For example, who's teaching this book? I'm teaching this book, okay? Who's speaking? The teacher is speaking. Who's writing? The students are writing, okay? That's information questions with who as the subject. Well, before we check the exercises, there's a box here, time expressions. We can use these time expressions to talk about the time of the sentences. For example, right now. I'm speaking English right now, today. I'm exercising today, this morning, this week, this month, this year, this semester, this season, and these days. So these are the time expressions, and we can use them at the end of the sentence. Do you have any questions?
This season, we have a
This
four
season, like,
season in year.
yes,
Spring,
like
summer.
spring, summer, fall, and winter. Right now we are in fall, so this season it means fall.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now let's go to part A. Complete the questions with present continuous. Number 1. What are you doing for exercise these days?
Number 2, are you
Yes.
are you running?
Are you
Running.
running?
Are you swimming?
Are you swimming? We know that run and swim use double M, then we add ing, or double N, because we have a vowel consonant, then we need to double the last consonant. 3.
Are you getting enough exercise?
Are you getting?
Getting.
Yes. Again, get, double T.
Yes. Is your best friend taking an exercise class?
Very good. Is your best friend take because it has E at the end, we remove E, then we add ing.
Yes.
So we say taking an exercise class. Number 5.
Who is exercising more? You or your best friend? Number 6.
Numbers.
Are you watching any special sporting events on TV this week?
Watching, yes. Number 7.
Number 7. Are your friends
Are your
playing on any sports teams this year? How about you? Number 8. Who's your favorite sports team doing this season?
How's your favorite sports team
Sorry,
doing?
how's?
Mm-hmm.
Who on the team is playing well?
Is playing well. All right. Well, so these are the answers. You can check them or maybe take a screenshot or something if you want. Well, now at the end of this video, I want to choose one question for you guys. Please look at this question and write down your answer in the comments. So what's the question? We can choose, for example, question number 5. Yes. Think about your best friend. Who is exercising more, you or your best friend? Okay. So for me, I am exercising more. My best friend is not exercising so much. How about you? Who is exercising more, you or your best friend?
Exactly me. I exercise every day and I exercise by myself. I'm alone go to exercise.
So you exercise more than your
Yes.
friend. Right. Okay, good job. Well, all right. Thank you guys. Please answer this question in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe. We upload 3 videos each week and make sure not to miss them. Thank you for watching us.
Peace, guys. Bye.